Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare your bacon perfectly in the oven. Take some parchment paper, measure it out over your baking tray, and just cut yourself a little piece. Now, grab your bacon, lay it nicely onto the parchment paper. You could cook several slices at the same time. We're gonna place this bacon in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And midway through baking, you're gonna rotate the baking sheet. Oh, look at that beautiful crispy bacon. So let's take this bacon out, lift up your bacon and just place it here on some paper towels. Let's have a taste. This is probably the easiest way to prepare bacon at home. If you enjoyed this cooking technique, check out these other great videos. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and smash that notification bell.